of this women's open 72 kilo class. Remember, straight after this, the under and over 84s follow in flight 2. And they will end a spectacular day's bench pressing. I think
That's
she's
good.
got that, yes?
Yep.
3 white lights.
Oh,
no,
now it's interesting.
Well, suddenly Timmers has her in her sights. Another great battle, Chrissy.
Oh, yes.
No! The Russian takes silver. The Japanese takes the gold medal.
Surprise.
Whoa!
Surprise ending.
And on we go. So the Russian coach looks on as Urusov tackles 225, makes
Beautiful
it look
opener.
easy.
All right, Shaprenko, the man to beat.
Yeah.
But
And
it
then
does.
world records keep getting broken. Think, what is man and woman's limit?
Oh,
No.
back towards his face. Good job, spotters.
Yeah.
That's why we have him.
And I have the technical controller laughing at me. He goes, hee-haw, hee-haw.
It's because you're the loudest one in here. Everyone
This
was
is
quiet.
Urusov for a world record.
Boom!
Take the lead.
There it is!
He's got it!
World
Can you
record!
believe that? Another world record! Urusov gets 3 white lights.
Oh my
This
God!
just keeps building and building and building.
I did not expect that.
Oh, wow!
The pressure is on. Shaprenko chipping the world record we just saw. The battle is on.
He's dropped to 241.5.